Hello everyone, yung Mama Betchay here and welcome back to my channel. Kung bago lang kayo sa aking channel, please subscribe, like, and click the notification bell as I will be posting new videos weekly. In my last video, I discussed how we can increase or improve our sales sa online shop nyo, mapa Lazada man yan o kung anumang online selling platform na ginagamit nyo. And I mentioned that one of the ways to increase our sales is to join promotions. If you have watched my previous video, nasa guide number 7 yon, and one of our supporters requested to create a how-to sa pag-join ng mga promotions sa Lazada. Just to clarify, marami pong promotions na ino-offer si Lazada. Merong paid promotions and free promotions or campaigns. Today, I'm going to discuss yung free campaigns or promotions and I will show you how to join sa mga campaigns na yon. So, are you all set? Let us pay attention to the screen as I show you how to join Lazada campaign for free. May pa-bonus ulit ako, so watch this video and learn. Okay, so here is our page. Ito na po yung seller center natin and nakalogin na tayo using yung shop na kinreate natin, 99 Store PH. Okay, kung nakasubaybay po kayo sa akin channel, ayan po yung online shop na ginawa natin. Okay, and as you can see, mamula-mula po yung ating metrics. We have here the cancellation rate of 100%. Just because hindi ko po na-check and namalayan na nagkaroon po pala tayo ng order and I was not able to process the order, so nag-auto-cancel po siya kay Lazada. So, wag nyo pong tularan. And here is the promotions tab. Okay, we have campaign management, flexi combo, bundles, seller voucher, free shipping, and seller picks. Okay? So, itong flexi combo, pababa hanggang free shipping, ito yung mga paid promotions or paid campaigns ni Lazada. Ito namang campaign management, yung free naman na campaign. So, click natin yan. And as you can see, ito yung mga available campaigns na you can join or you can register. May mga details po yan. And we also have here the different options like yung platform campaign, slash it, and voucher campaign. But since we are going to focus on the free campaign, so dito tayo sa platform campaign and its available promotions. And ayan, may mga tab siya dito. May option siya like the campaign name, kailan yung registration deadline, and kailan siya magla-live. Okay? So, in joining the campaign, all you need to do, itong right side, meron siyang actions. Okay? And nakalagay dyan yung join. Okay? So, syempre, what you're going to do is just click on the join. Ayan. Click natin. Isa-isahin natin to. We can register at least 2. Okay, so pag-click natin ng join, meron naman siyang details dito. Okay, so ang details niya, anong klaseng campaign to? Trendy Tuesdays, wear this weekend. Meron siyang campaign period, September 24, tsaka yung discount requirements and categories. So, ayan, naka-highlight, 10% pag under fashion ka, bags and travel, 10% din, and so on. And we also have here a few reminders. Ayan siya. Before submitting, sinabi niya you have checked the prices of your submitted deals. Once promotion deals are approved, prices cannot be changed or removed during the duration of the promotion, and so on. Ayan. So, before joining the campaign, of course, kailangan nyo munang basahin. And if you can adjust also yung pricing nyo before joining, then adjust nyo na lang po muna under products. Okay, so let us join now. Click natin. And we have 3 options here. Select products, fill in campaign price, and submit. Okay, so una nating gagawin, of course, is to select the products by clicking the add product. Ayan. Ayan. So, magaganyan siya. Magdidilim yung screen and scroll down nyo lang. And it will show you yung mga items or products nyo na nakapost sa inyong platform. And iselect nyo lang po siya. So, nasa inyo na po yan kung i-join nyo po lahat. So, you can unselect kung ayaw nyo i-join. But, for tutorial purposes, saselect natin yung 8 and then click on add. Ayan siya. So, it will bring you here. And nakikita natin dito yung mga items na in-add natin and also yung current price niya na nakapost. And meron ding campaign price. So, automatic siya. Kung nakita nyo, kung napansin nyo kanina, sabi 10%. So, our campaign price will be 10% of your current price and automatic siyang nag-compute. Ang campaign price natin is 89 pesos and 10 cents. Okay? So, nasa inyo na yan kung bababaan nyo or you just stick to the price na campaign price. So, for tutorial purposes, again, pa-follow lang natin to kasi hindi naman pwedeng taasan dahil yan po yung suggested campaign price niya. Pwede nyo lang siyang babaan. So, pag nailagay nyo na po yung campaign price, ayan siya, click nyo lang yung submit. Okay? Ayan siya. So, click the submit button. Siya. And then, if you wanna add more products, i-click nyo lang ulit yung add product. Kasi wala siyang option here to select every items. So, gawin nyo lang siya batch per batch. Okay, so select natin add product. And as you can see, since bago lang to, wala pa tayong products, hindi pa ganun kadami. Okay. Again, we created this for tutorial purposes. And then, we go back to the campaign management. And yung ni-register nyo, of course, pupunta yan dito under the registered campaign. Okay? Ayan siya. So, balik tayo sa available campaign. And let's join another campaign which is September Payday Sale. So, yung coverage niya is from September 28 to September 30. So, join naman ulit tayo. And as usual, nandito yung details like yung discount requirements, categories, and so on. Okay? So, same process. Join. And then, click on add products. Select nyo lang uli yung mga products na gusto nyong i-join sa campaign na yan, Payday Sale Campaign. And click on the add button ulit. Okay? Since, again, 10% ulit siya, indicate nyo lang ulit yung campaign price na 89.1. So, this may vary depende sa items na binibenta nyo. Okay? There are also sellers na depende po sa items. You may wonder, bakit hindi ako qualified? Bakit wala ako nakikitang ganyan? So, depende po sa campaign na ino-offer ni Lazada yan. Okay? So, there. That's it. Let's go back to campaign management and registered campaign. So, nag-register tayo ng 2 promotion or 2 campaign. Usually naman, nag-auto-approve po yan. Okay? Ayan siya. So, meron pa tayong natitirang 3 campaigns. So, wag na lang natin pahabain yung ating tutorial, but you get the idea na on how to join the promotions for free. Then, ito yung bonus natin na sinasabi ko, how to set a free shipping promotion. Okay, so, kinlik ko lang yung free shipping and umabot tayo sa ganitong page. So, in creating free shipping, create promotion, and ito yung mga details. Okay? So, promotion name, budget, and so on. So, nasa inyo na yan kung anong promotion name ilalagay nyo. Okay, so mag-isip lang po kayo ng magandang promo na masisiyahan naman po yung ating mga customers. So, sa atin, for example, minimum purchase of 1,000. Yan lang yung promotion name natin. Okay, and then we have here the period. We have specific period and long term. Okay, pag specific period, of course, kung gusto mo lang i-specify yung free shipping mo from a certain period, for example, yan, September 17 to January 15, 2020. Ayan, so pwede yan. And then, pwede rin long term. Long term is nakalagay na po yung free shipping nyo. So, as long as on or naka-activate or naka-active yung free shipping promotion nyo. Okay, regarding the condition, nasa inyo na rin po yan. Kung no condition or they need to shop a number of items bago makuha yung free shipping. And then sa atin, since yung promotion natin is minimum purchase of 1,000, then let's indicate here shop order amount from 1,000. So yung customers na bibili ng worth 1,000 and above will have the free shipping. Okay, just a reminder, pag nagpa-free shipping po tayo, yan po ay ikakalta sa ating mga sellers. Okay, so please strategize in your pricing. Okay, para hindi naman po tayo malugi. And also we have here the region, delivery option, lagay lang natin. Tapos specific products. Kung meron kayong mga products, halimbawa yung mga hindi na nabebenta, pwede nyong i-apply dyan. Or pwede rin i-apply nyo na sa entire shop. Meaning, free shipping is applicable sa lahat ng items na nakapost sa inyong Lazada shop or Lazada online selling platform. Okay. So, yan. Pag-submit, andyan na po siya. Nakalagay na siya. And, naka-active na po siya. And, ayan. So, there. As easy as that. Ganun lang po kadali paano mag-join ng ating promotions. So today we are able to learn how to create a promotion for free and how to create yung free shipping, dahil yan po yung commonly questions na tinatanong sa atin. Okay, so I think that's it. If you have questions, feel free to comment down below. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, and I'll see you in my next tutorial. You have a good day and good luck in your selling journey. Bye!